Good morning, 24th of October, Wednesday in Port Elizabeth, and it's looking out the window there, it's a beautiful day today, nice and hot. So let's just hope it's the start of summer. Right, yesterday I sent out your WhatsApp to many of you, and you've told me which whether you want them as 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Well, thanks for replying, and I'm organising my lists. Within the next day or two we should be able to get started and do the private membership on my video pages. But until then I'm just going to be organising myself, and let's get on with it. Let's have a look. First of all, today, the cryptic clue for today was this young lady, cryptic clue, and the answer is Asian star. So if you look up on your program, you'll find Asian star, and I'll talk about that in just a second. But before I go to that, let's have a look at the top jockeys for the day. Right, these are the ones that I've highlighted. You get Luke Flores. He's doing extremely well. He's the top apprentice at the moment with 26 winners, which is 12.5%. He's good. Okay, his big family stable. So anything that, as I go through the list, I'll try and pinpoint the best of his mounts today. Marcus, you've always got to follow Marcus, but you can't actually make a profit following him, so he's one that you've got to include in your exotic bets. Then you've got the apprentice Sakaye. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing him right, but he's very good. He's got to, and again I'll look at his best mounts today. And of course you can never leave out Muzieni. He's a top jockey, but he's also doesn't always ride the best horses in the race. Sometimes he comes down riding for a stable, and he'll get 2 or 3 mounts, and it'll be the one mount that he's expecting to win on. Okay, so let's look down and look at some of the trainers. Now, the best trainer at Greyville, as far as profit is concerned, is K. de Mello. Sorry, jockey, not trainer. K. de Mello. So you've got to look at his rides as well. We'll go through them and I'll pick out 1 or 2 of his rides. He has got a 24 rand win rate. Now what that means is, had you put 1 rand on every single one of his mounts since the beginning of this season, beginning of August, you would have had 22 bets, and you're actually making 24 rand profit, and that's excellent. Right? However you look at it, it's excellent. But he's only had 4 winners, so you've got to take that into consideration, that he's had some long shots there. So you can't leave him out as something that you've got to put in your exotics. As far as the trainers are concerned, Dixon has got the best strike rate. I'll just show you here. M. Dixon, 3 wins out of 10, 30%, and a 32% win rate just on those 3. Again, Dixon's got excellent return on investment. And by coincidence here, race 8, number 9, Asian Star, that's our best bet of the day, or not our best bet of the day, that's the cryptic clue. Okay, and now looking at it, it looks about 5 to 1. I looked into Asian Star last night, and I went through the last the records, the wins, and the video. And on the video, it was running on very strongly in the last stages. The computer form didn't note that, but I picked it up. Okay, race 8, number 9, Asian Star, running on strongly in the last race. Says hanging in late, but it wasn't hanging in late. It was coming with a nice good run. Another 100 metres would have easily won. Today, racing again against Roy's Magic, but Asian Star is 2 kilo better off. So I think that's good enough to turn the tables. Roy's Star is more than likely to be the favourite. So Roy's Magic, is more than likely to be the favourite. Asian Star, I looked at last night, about 5 to 1. I think that's probably better. I'd like to see 6 or 7 to 1 about that. I don't like the draw. Course and distance winner. Another interesting thing I like is 340 days since the last win. Now, very often horses and stables will win at the same time of year each year. There's a reason for this. During their training methods will often on the smaller stables build up to a crescendo, and they'll get all their winners in the same month. This is because they have during the course of the year they have to take the vet comes and they give them horse sickness injections and this sort of thing, and they have the whole stable done at the same time. They don't just come at different times of the year for different horses. So this is why for certain periods of the year certain stables will have poor winners, and then the strike rate comes in. Now the chances are that if they get the horse sickness injections etc. at the same time each year, which is when a month or 6 weeks after that the horses start winning. So I always like to see when the horse last won, and if we look at Asian Star, it's 340 days ago, and it was over the same course and distance. So this is another reason I like Asian Star, and we've got our best jockey on it for the day with the return on the investment, Keegan de Mello. Right, so that's race 8, number 9. So that's it for this morning. I will edit this video for you and post it, and I will then get all my different lists so that you'll be in your own private video group very shortly. And please keep in touch. Oh, and also make sure that you've subscribed to my video channel, my YouTube channel, because if you haven't, I don't think you'll be able to see my videos, my private videos, if you're not a subscribed member. We've got 600 members now, subscribers, but in reality it's only the last 60 that count, because I started this YouTube about 10 years ago, if not more, and many of the people who subscribed to me then don't even know I exist anymore, because for 2 or 3 years I didn't post any videos at all and they dropped out. So it's only for my recent subscribers, which is 50, 60, 70 of you, that I'm catering for. Okay, chat later.